Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Hak akut motion, hak assembly, penpau ubah brester well marbanyang, jaka jingbom yuk boarding elektrik, kinong Mawlai, kamtam kitu ki jaka syong jakasa, ki badang thanmai, bat ula kerpat jaka power department, bakadai ban Paitbah, jaki jaka bompat don boarding elektrik. Hakawe ka bynta, ubah berat, ula ong ba ula yuk jing tip, naki Paitbah, bah kini ki snem ki baladep, kaladon ke jing temu. Ban pli ya kawe ka additional building center hajan mau kenro henre ka department ka badai kmi ya kane ka additional building center kam ya syakmat ban te ya ka building center kumta ubak berat ulah kerpat ya minister badai kmi ba udai ban Paitbah halur kane ka bynta ubak berat ulah keren ru ya ka jingthut barabor jong kalai lane jong ka boarding elektrik khamtam ha ka constituency jong u kabala pentut ya ki Paitbah ba pyndonkam boarding elektrik kumta ulah kerpat ya minister badai kmi ya ka boarding elektrik ba udai ban Paitbah ya ki Jingeh jong ki Paitbah.
The reason I rise to support this motion is I want to highlight some of the issues pertaining to my constituency, where Mawlai as a constituency, locality, it is growing day by day. And therefore, there are these new areas of settlement. Like for example, in Mawlai Mawyong Japung, Mawyong Rim, some parts of Mawlai Nongkwar, Mawlai Thlong, and then we have Mawlai Maukenro, the full stretch passing through this Mawlai bypass, and then Mawlai Motowar, Sao, and many more, where in these new areas of settlement, so far, there is no electric connection. And the main reason why people are still yet to be electrified is because that there is no electric pole in these areas. And therefore, I will urge upon the Honorable Minister in charge of power to kindly look into these problems that are being faced by the people at the ground level. And another point that I would like to raise is, again, coming to Mawlai. It is not just one of the, in fact, the biggest constituency in the state in terms of the number of voters, the population, but at the same time in terms of area. And I've learned from the people that in the last few years, actually there is a plan to open up one additional billing center near in Maukenro, in Nehu Substation. But for the reason best known to the department concerned, they have not gone ahead with this proposal. So I will request the Honorable Minister to kindly look into this matter so as to ease the problem of the people from these areas, from Kanton Masar, Mauro, Maukenro, and Motowar downstream. And another problem that actually is being faced by the people in my constituency is what the Honorable Minister had also just, the Honorable Member, Senior Member had just mentioned, is frequent power disruptions, even in my constituency, which has really disturbed the people, especially the women who are working in their home. And one more last point that I would like to draw the attention of the Minister is with regards to the problem of Home Guard volunteers who have been deputed with MECL, who have been working with the department as Home Guard volunteers for more than 10 years, some of them more than 20 years. And I would request the Minister concerned to kindly look into their problem and by regularizing their service. So with these few words, I will resume my seat. Thank you.